everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're in the north of Kerala. South of Kerala is the more commercial place where we have Alippam and we have Coconut Lagoon and all of the other touristy areas. But since we're in the northern part of India, let's show you to some extremely local activities. We've climbed an entire fort. We've also gone inside a man-made cave. We've also trekked. We've done a lot of naturistic activities, eaten an entire Onam Sadhya meal and enjoyed this trip. I hope you like this video. Keep watching and like, share, subscribe. Please comment your thoughts. And it would just mean a lot to me if you also read my article, which is the reason why I'm staying here. You know the sound of the cicada? This is for boiling tea.
So just put a
Lemongrass.
It's a blue color.
That's my bag. You are a pro. Pain relief oil.
I
can keep it here also. मम्मी को कुछ काट लिया.
उनका काटा.
Oh,
Oh, अब क्या करूँ?
no, nothing. Just leave.
Please.
See this
It's
plant.
burning.
See this plant.
Now he will take a plant and try to save mom.
So 2 minutes. Don't run.
Oh, the plant! Guys, I feel like I'm in a National Geography channel. Oh wow! Oh my god, waterproof leaf!
Oh, nice. I'm going for a shopping.
Oh!
Coach bag. Gucci bag.
This is better than any other designer bag that I own, for sure. We shall do it for the YouTube family.
It's a natural shampoo.
2 work trips back to back had left me with a very particular kind of travel fatigue. So when Kerala presented me with a 7:30 a.m. nature walk, I had already decided absolutely not. बारिश तो हो रही है.
मैं तो shoes पहन ली. लेकिन चलना पड़ेगा ना.
Morning everyone. I was not going to go for the nature trail because I had like a lot of cramps and I was in pain yesterday. But then I was watching Archana Puran Singh and Ari's vlogs yesterday, and I got a dream that they were enticing me to go, because in my dream Ayushman said that उठने के लिए मौत आ रही थी but अभी इधर से जाने के लिए मौत आ रही है. Like it was so good that he didn't want to leave the nature part of the trek. I have to go, but I can't wait to go trekking again because it's been a very long time since we've done it. I wrote a message to the trek leader. The rain, if we would cancel, he said, the rain is the most beautiful thing that we have here. There is no continuous rain. It sounded so philosophical, and somehow that sentence just got me out of bed. What followed was impossibly green rainforests, waterfalls, caves, herbs, butterfly PT.
Okay, you will be over. It's turmeric.
See this one.
Ah, haldi. Oh wow, this is mint. This is mint for sure.
This
Pudina.
is basil, wild
Basil.
Wild basil.
Wild basil. It smells like pudina.
Mint is different. Mint का तो आपने.
It's raining. Trek has started.
मैं बताऊँ ये. पान.
No.
Wait,
Mix
let
the
me
pan.
guess.
This one will mix
पान में mix है. Something
Yeah.
beetle का.
it. This is old spice, sarva sugandhi. Old spice, mixed spice.
I love
हाँ,
this.
this lavanga.
This is what I would want in my perfume. I know I'm a mad gal. I don't like floral or fruity scents or like oud and musk. And perfume that won't give you any allergy ever.
Spice, madam, not a single spice.
Okay.
Mixed spice, sarva sugandhi.
What is this? Lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Put in a chai every day.
अब मोजा गीले होंगे.
We want the doggo. And I'm very scared of them, but she really seems friendly and she's going to show us everything. And this looks like paradise.
Yeah,
Wow.
See you with. Oh, it is glass. It is glass. It is glass.
Oh wow, the rain has increased. Rain बढ़ रही है. Woohoo! Sandpaper.
And put it here.
It's like an umbrella. Please carry umbrella.
See, just peel it.
Oh yeah, it's actually very. It's so rough. दिखने में glossy लग रहा है, but so rough the texture. मम्मा,
Yes.
sandpaper हाथ दो अपना.
हाँ. Hold it. इधर वो देख.
Oh my god, that looks insane.
Waterfall is there. No, we have not got the clothes.
Just, yeah, the liquid is there, no?
हाँ.
That is the natural
It's
shampoo.
a oil something.
It's a shampoo.
Shampoo.
See, just put the hand like this.
Just shampoo. Oh.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Can I put this in my hair right now?
थोड़े देर greasy हो जाएगा.
I'll put little bit.
Don't.
Are you?
I'm 6.
6.
I'm also 6 feet.
1 inch.
I look
1
taller.
inch.
1 inch.
What's your name, sir?
Ratnakaran.
Ratnakaran.
Yeah, Ratnakaran.
Ratnakaran. He's our trek guide for today, and he's teaching us all about the natural.
Yeah. This is
remedies.
actually, that's a Mulyar forest, government property.
Okay.
See, inside our whole family only. My cousins are staying in the house there, no? Some other family, our relatives only.
Inside
All
that.
family relatives. From Madikeri, Kur.
Oh.
The river name is Paisni River.
Butterfly watching.
Wild orchids.
So,
See, this is bird eye chili.
this is what they put in food, yeah.
Sapwood.
Chandan? Kind of risky to be vlogging when you are trekking. But kind of like it now because sunlight is peeping through. The
Rubber tree. Okay.
rubber trees.
You are using all.
Slippery slope. I can hear the waterfall from here. And it's looking, these leaves look so good even on the ground. That's a wild banana.
And then it's a
downstream right behind us. And अब ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ा केरला आ गया है. That is a pepper tree.
But not ready. You can just,
Why it's not ready?
you can just taste this. Taste.
You can taste this.
Okay. It's not
Kali
ready.
miर्ची, yeah.
Not spicy because it's not ready.
Good for your throat.
चाय में डालो. I haven't seen the sun in so long that it feels so good to see the sun out. It's making a gift for us that we can take back home.
Oh, nice.
This is supari tree leaf.
So pari tree
Pari
leaf.
leaf. Okay.
Yes. Is that a hat?
Let's see.
No.
Green baskets.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
See? How did you make that? The 2 minutes. Without any tape or any glue or gum.
Oh, nice bag.
So cool.
No, yes,
Like a rock.
yo. Wow, so nice, Yashita. Yes,
Small babies are used to carry that. And this, sure?
Yes, you can fill all
Wow.
vegetables, fruits inside and just
So
it's
cool.
so wild
Sturdy
Yashita,
also.
while going into the mobile and rubber and all your accessories in this bag.
Wow.
One more gift.
Wow.
See, this is all art. Now he's making design of. See, he's making design of it.
Wow. Better than my Chanel, which I don't own yet, but this is
This is
just
natural,
yeah, harming any other
not harming
animal.
any friendly bag. It's an eco-friendly bag.
ये आपने कहाँ से सीखा? नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस.
Oh, nice.
This is truly ऐसा लग रहा है कि कपड़े का है, but actually it's made out of leaves and branches and barks of trees. Mama, please गिरना मत. I'll be like this is where I'm reminding Mama that सिर्फ मम्मी की आवाज आ रही है, मुझे नेचर की आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Ah,
Oh wow,
wild coriander. Then what do you use?
हाँ धनिया,
Wild,
but
it's
different
a
type
wild
of धनिया.
coriander. It's a wild
Normally
coriander.
we
The
don't
smell
use
is
wild.
wild.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Part 2.
No, it's not like. It's like
It is like local. It actually looks like Tom Cruise.
Horse driver and
हाँ, cowboy. This actually gives me cowboy right there.
supari hai.
supari.
I'll take this supari for badi mummy.
The seed inside is
Yes.
not
यही सुपारी निकलता है अंदर से.
the seed or the
हाँ, the seed. ये जो सीड होता है ना,
Taste.
ये देखो,
Oh,
टेस्ट
wow.
करो, सुपारी खाओ. It's सुपारी.
यही खाते हैं.
हाँ, ये नमकीन सुपारी है. हाँ, you can. बस keep it in your. कड़क है.
Sorry.
ओह, हाँ.
Sorry.
It's okay.
क्या हुआ?
नहीं वो नुकीला पा. बस इसको मुंह में ही रखते हैं. काट मत लेना, दांत.
डांटते थी ना. Man-made cave. No, that's why he won't come. Natural cave. He comes. गुफा के अंदर जा रहे हैं, बट ये गुफा आदमी ने
Carefully
बनाई.
height. These are 5-6 feet only.
It goes.
Then we'll go back, no?
Yeah.
It's not 200 meters is there inside.
It's not made for 6 feet.
See.
Oh my god. हाँ. आप ऐसे ले सकते हो? Oh god. ऐसे horizontal. Yeah. Natural geographical. Natural. I don't fit in this place. I have to walk diagonally, and many insects. I use a torch to get in here. I feel like we last did this in Iceland, but there was more diameter and space there, and there was snow. And are we finally out? Almost right there. Your chappal is drained. Oh god, the fact that I can't fit myself like this is saying something about my workout.
You are fit in this cave. You are not so fat. You are fit.
Thank you.
तभी तो ऐसा पहनिए. Hardly like it.
Mom would
Take
have
this
been
one.
claustrophobic
Ye lo.
fully inside.
Yes, I may be claustrophobia over. Now what you doing?
It's nice numbers.
Oh, it's nice.
Some root.
It's green tea.
Oh wow, up at
Nannari Sarbati got it. It's good for
Nannari
stomach
Sarbat.
upset. It's Ayurveda medicine.
Ayurvedic medicine good for.
stomach
Stomach
acid.
upset problem. only.
Okay. तो आप लोग सब दवाई.
You don't have to go to a chemist when you can come and walk in nature itself. No side effect. Cookie!
इनका है शाम को देर. Spa oil. Massage
Spa oil, yes. Oh my god, इसमें से oil निकलता है.
Massage in the root.
Oh my
And pain
god,
oil
this
is
is
also there for
actually
the
like
pain.
a spa.
Pain relief oil.
Yes, it's a pain
It
relief.
actually, when he said
And
spa, I
how
was
you
like,
do it?
this
Like
is so
you squeeze
true.
the leaf.
From the root, they take the oil. That was the
Wow,
point.
it's giving like massage oil only. Massage. This keep
कल
it
जा रही
away.
है मसाज के लिए. Yeah, this we should take home. Flower you are taking out for us.
Nice.
Oh, like dahlia.
Yes.
Wow.
Put it away.
This is very pretty flower.
I can put in my hair.
He's making. Wow, so cute.
Getting.
Now I will.
Yes, like first.
So now you can smell continuous smell.
Oh yes, I can always smell it. Smart, very smart.
Rashida, face to दिखाओ.
Frequently, but kasturi.
Okay.
Kasturi turmeric. I don't know if you can tell, but the elevation is literally going down slope. But we use for boiling tea.
So just put it.
Lemongrass. Lemon tea. Because we put blue flower.
Oh wow.
Cheers! करते हैं. This is the biggest butterfly in India. You are a pro to get this slow motion shot. Amazing. Amazing. This is madness. मोबाइल स्टैंड बनाया है, इतना प्रैक्टिकल। वीडियो देखो मस्त बैठ के। अरे अरे जवाब है, लोग इनोवेशन ढूंढ ही लेते हैं। और ये ब्लू टी तो गजब थी, माय गॉड।
Don't rub, don't rub. So this plant.
क्या कौन काटा?
You want to try?
No, I didn't get hurt. She got hurt.
That's plant.
Plant?
That's plant.
That's not that.
Nothing will happen. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Leave it, we'll go to the
मुझे
water.
लगा प्लांट मेडिसिन में था, वो ठीक करता था मम्मी को।
Nothing, no problem. It's good for health.
मम्मी को प्लांट में जो एलर्जी आता है, come on her face also. I took a beautiful waterfall bath and then we did a proper trek uphill and now we're hungry, so eating banana in the land of banana and coconuts. Walking uphill on a slope, trekking after so long, after Kedarkantha almost, and I realize why people choose comfort after this. But you can see Madhukari River, you can see all of Kerala from here, and once you take a dip with your water wet and the waterfall, I can't speak English now, but then hard on your ear, but it rewires your brain. If you remember the first vlog of the Kerala series where I actually was presented in a private houseboat and they were forcing us to write a Google review and I really didn't want to write it, versus cut to this trek where I personally wanted to write a page of an essay as my review because that's how much it impacted me. And look at what other people wrote also after I finished writing mine. See, Ayurvedic, new things, excellent, grateful, tremendous gratitude, knowledgeable, host, great hospitality, learned about new things, people have come. So, so well written. सबके handwriting कितनी different है. The owner of the place, Mr. Ratnakar, who had a lovely experience planned out for us. What would you like to say to people who want to build something like this?
Started in 2009, 10 that time. But it's slowly growing like nature. Nature you can't do within day. See, construction work and you can do, but nature you have to do slowly. You have to maintain
It's
this.
naturally.
It's very tough also. And physically hard. Growing up and maintaining trees, planting.
Adding blue flower in that lemon, like that.
And then it becomes purple once you add blue and lemon. The best hamper, we're buying coconut oil, turmeric, cloves in the bag that Mr. Ratnakar Nair made us. Bye!
Bye.